YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Adam, back with another video, and on this channel we talk about women, fitness, dating advice, and overall self-improvement. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell to be notified when I drop another video, man. But in today's video, I'm simply giving you my opinion on why I think it's better to be ripped, fit and healthy rather than to be rich and wealthy. Stay tuned and let's get into it. Alright, man, the first reason why getting in fit and staying healthy and having a good looking body is better than having a lot of material things or a lot of money is because getting in fit not only comes from a change in your habits physically, but it also comes from a change in your mindset, right? So it has to come from within. Now don't get me wrong, in order to make like millions and millions of dollars, that's also a mindset change, but the confidence you get from just looking at yourself naked and you look amazing is second to none, okay? I'm not saying having a lot of money is bad, having a lot of material things is bad, but if you're using those material external things to make yourself feel confident, that's not gonna last forever. But what will always last forever is the confidence you get from looking at your goddamn naked, booted butt naked body, being like, damn, I did this, I built this, I look amazing. Okay? So that's reason number one. Alright, man, reason number two is that getting fit can actually help you get rich, while the inverse is not true, okay? If you're hella rich, that's not gonna help you and give you the drive, the discipline, and the habits that actually get you in shape, right? But if you're in shape, now you can teach other people and provide value to the world by giving out courses, workout programs, making videos, and you can teach other people and help them on their path to getting fit, which in turn could make you rich, okay? So take that into thought and remember that once you get fit, you had to make an entire paradigm shift in your mind to make that decision and achieve your dream body. So in turn, you're gonna be able to make a paradigm shift about money as well, because before you got in shape, before you got fit, you didn't believe you could do it. At least I didn't think I could do it. I never thought I would be the size I am, and don't get me wrong, I'm still small, but I never thought I would get to this level until I changed my mind and I saw myself in the position that I wanted to be in. It's the same thing with getting money, okay? So that's reason number two, but let's go ahead, slide to the gym, knock out this upper body workout. All right, man, we made it to the motherfucking gym. And the third reason that being ripped is better than being rich is that just by simply walking around, you inspire people, right? You either do one or two things to people. You inspire them and make their day a little better, or you make their day a little bit worse. Got that out of Dale Carnegie's book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. So being fit, you are leading by example of how people can live a better life, because most of the time if you see fit people, they are very positive, they are very kind to others, and they never really speak negatively about other people because they have no reason to, because they're secure in themselves. So you can be one of these people that by just simply existing, you inspire others to want to be better, okay? But I think you know what time it is. We got the Rice Krispie. For what? What do we have it for? I'm waiting. What do we have it for? Oh, that's right. That's right. We have it for the pump! For the pump! So let's stop fucking around and hit this upper body day. Let's get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed that upper body day. Fantastic session, nutty ass pump because of the Rice Krispie. You already know the deal. But man, I want you to take away from this video that fitness will never lead you wrong. Being fit and being ripped will always have you in a better mind state and a better physical state. And all other states of being will follow. Social, spiritual, they will follow you, okay? If you are in good shape, if you take care of your temple. But know that being rich is not a bad thing either. Matter of fact, the best thing you want to do is be ripped and rich, okay? But start with getting fit first, and I guarantee it'll change your life. And that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, if you learned something from it, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell to be notified when I drop another video. And as always, I appreciate you for watching. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Stay icy, and I'm gone.